little explorers! Today, we're heading to Jurassic Park, a magical place where big, friendly dinosaurs are waiting to meet you. Come along and let's discover the amazing world of the prehistoric age together. Let's start by building a giant stone gate for our Jurassic Park. Ooh, this mysterious gray color looks so cool! All right, the pathway is all widened now. I need a big hole right here. Pour in the water. And ta-da! We have a cute little pond. Aha! Let's roll out some green grass on both sides. And add a nice fence to make everything look even better. Hello, Jurassic Park. The sign is up. Our park is ready to welcome all the kids. Fire up the torches. Look, even the trees are excited to grow with us. Hello there! Just a moment, little dino friend. But wait, this spot still looks a bit dangerous. Let's put up a warning sign to keep everyone safe. And now, little explorers, welcome to the amazing Jurassic Park adventure. Let's go explore. Grab your tools, little archaeologist. Let's get to work. Great job! I've chipped away half of it already. Our tiny archaeologist did it. What dinosaur is this? Wow! It's Triceratops horridus. It has 3 big horns on its face that make it look super strong. Its head has a large frill like a shield. Triceratops loved eating plants and leaves. It was a gentle plant eater. Wow, this egg is huge. Oh no, it's cracking open. Ta-da! A brand new dinosaur has appeared! Wow. It's Deinonychus anteropus. It had sharp claws perfect for catching prey. It was very fast and smart. Its long tail helped it balance. Some scientists think it hunted in groups. Oh, it's clear like crystal. So pretty. What's inside? Let's take a peek. Wow, a dinosaur! It's Carnotaurus sastre! It had two short horns above its eyes. Carnotaurus was a very fast runner. Its tiny arms were even smaller than a T-Rex's. It used its strong jaws to hunt. Now let's see what we can make with this ball of clay. Green clay, please. Ha ha ha! It turned into a dinosaur. It's Compsognathus longipes. A small and speedy dinosaur. It had long legs for running fast. It ate bugs and tiny animals. A tiny but clever little hunter. What kind of egg is this? Oh, it's empty. Wait, wow! A spiky dinosaur popped out. It's Ankylosaurus magniventris. It had thick armor plates on its back. Its tail had a big club for protection. It loved eating plants and ferns. A real walking tank. Each skeleton belongs to a different dinosaur. Which dinosaur does this one belong to? It's Liopleurodon ferox. A huge ocean predator. It had long jaws with sharp teeth. It was a powerful swimmer. It hunted fish in deep waters. Kids, let's help the little jeep find its way to the volcano. Oh, a flying dinosaur! It's Archaeopteryx lithographica. It had feathers like a bird. It could glide short distances. Its claws were on its wings. One of the earliest bird-like dinosaurs. Giant treasure chest. What's inside? Oh no, it's a dinosaur. It's Spinosaurus aegyptiacus. had a big sail on its back. It loved eating fish. One of the largest carnivores ever. Its long snout looked like a crocodile's. Beep, beep! The truck is here! Let's load the animals onto the truck! Oh no! A dinosaur is blocking the way! It's Pachyrhinosaurus! It had a big, thick bump on its nose. It lived in herds. It ate grass and plants. Its frill helped it stay safe. Let's see what's inside this box. Oh, a toy! Wait, why is there a dinosaur too? It's Coelophysis. Slim, fast, and very quick. It had a long neck for catching tiny prey. It lived in huge groups. Its big eyes helped it hunt. They're trying to build a shape. Whoa! It's such a cute creature! Do you know what it is, kids? It's Spinosaurus aegyptiacus again! Its sail made it look big and strong. A great swimmer that loved rivers. Long claws helped catch fish, fierce but also graceful in the water. Let's try building a pyramid. Ta-da! Our dinosaur looks so mighty. It's Psittacosaurus mongoliensis. Parrot-like beak. It walked on two legs. Its tail helped it balance. It ate seeds, leaves, and small plants. The yellow piece is done. Now the red one. Oh, what dinosaur head is this? It's Styracosaurus albertensis. It had long spikes around its frill, a big horn on its nose. It lived in large herds. It loved eating low plants. Yay! I caught so many fish. Oh, wow! I even caught a dinosaur. Ha! It's Allosaurus fragilis. A strong and fast predator. It had sharp claws and teeth. It could chase big animals. A top hunter of its time. We discovered so many amazing things in Jurassic Park today, didn't we? Dino eggs, skeletons, treasures, and lots of cute dinosaurs. Everything was so much fun. See you next time on our next adventure. Bye-bye.